Hey, it's Brandon from Analog People, and in this video I'm going to share with you the resource that I use to find the best background music. Let's dive in. Now, background music can be used for personal use, such as live streaming, YouTube content, podcasts, even wedding videos, or it can be used for commercial and business, such as corporate videos, social media ads, indie films, nonprofits, all the way up into video on demand, feature films, and even broadcast TV or radio. Now, the resource that I'm going to share with you allows you to find quality background music by real artists for whatever usage you need. The first thing you need to do to find background music is go to analogpeople.tv by clicking the link in the description below. Once you get there, you're going to click Browse, which launches the music searching platform. Now I'm going to show you how to find a particular style of background music. For example, let's say I'm looking for background music that is cinematic, ethereal, and maybe on the slower side. I'll click Subgenre, select Cinematic, then click on Mood and select Ethereal. Now I'm going to click on Tempo and select Slow. Now I can start to listen to the music in the search results and find the one that's right for my project. Once I've selected my favorite, I simply click the license button. For me, I'm already logged into my account, but if you don't have an account, it's going to prompt you to create one. It's free to sign up. After you click License, select from the drop-down what usage you need to cover, whether it's personal or commercial. Then click Add to Cart. Enter your customer and project info. Then enter your payment info and confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you are instantly able to download quality background music in high resolution or MP3 files.